So this is question number 4 from exercise 4.1 of the lesson 4, fourth pair of straight line. Okay, and the question is find k. And first question is given that the sum of slope of lines represented by equation x square plus kxy minus 3y square equal to 0 is twice their product. Okay, so question ये है कि k का वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करना है, फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ k and condition for the slope is given. What is the condition? That sum of slope. Now sum of slope means what? If I take a standard equation of pair of line or joint equation of lines, so what is the joint equation of line? Ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. This equation represents the joint equation of line. Okay. Now this equation represents the two lines. Okay. So suppose one of the line have the slope m1 and other line have the slope m2. Then there is a relationship between the sum of slope and the product of slope. Okay. So first relationship between the slope and the coefficient of x, y. Okay. So what is the first relation? That sum of slope means m1 plus m2. This value is equal to minus 2h upon b. Okay. Where is 2h? 2h means it is the coefficient of x, y, and b is the coefficient of y square. Okay. And second relationship is that m1 into m2 means product of slope is equal to a upon b. Okay. So this is the relationship between sum of slope and the product of slope. It is the relationship between the slope and the coefficient of x and y. Okay. So just starting from the given equation is x square plus k xy minus 3y square is equal to 0 and compare with standard equation. Comparing with the standard combined equation or joint equation of pair of lines. So standard joint equation is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. So compare this equation with this. So after comparison you will get the value of a. So a value is 1. A value means it is the coefficient of x square, and in this case coefficient of x square is 1. Then 2h value, 2h means it is the coefficient of xy. So in this case xy coefficient is k, so 2h value is k. Okay. And b value means it is the coefficient of y square, so y square coefficient is minus 3. Okay. And then apply the relationship between the slope and the a, h and b. Okay. So by given condition, so what is given condition? That sum of slope means m1 plus m2. This value is equal to minus 2h upon b. Okay. So just put value. So m1 plus m2. In this case 2h value is k. So here is minus k divided by b. So b value is minus 3. Okay. So therefore m1 plus m2 is equal to this minus get cancelled, and finally you will get k upon 3. It is the value of m1 plus m2. Okay. Similarly, second relationship. What is the second relationship? That product of slope. Product of slope means m1 into m2. Its value is a upon b. Okay. So therefore m1 into m2 is equal to a. So in our case a value is 1 and b value is minus 3. Okay. So this is sum of slope. Sum of slope we got k upon 3, and product of slope means m1 into m2 we got 1 upon minus 3. Okay. Now see the relationship between the sum of slope and the product of slope. So what is the relationship? That the sum of slope of lines is twice their product. Okay. So sum of slope means m1 plus m2 is means equal to twice means to their product. So their product means it is m1 into m2. Okay. Sum of slope is twice their product. And then just put the value. So m1 plus m2 means it is k by 3. 2 as it is. m1 into m2. So m1 into m2 it is 1 upon minus 3. Okay. So you can cancel this 3 and 3. Okay. So k value we will get 2 into 1 is 2 and with minus sign. Okay. So k value is minus 2. So this is solution for this question. Find the value of k. K value is minus 2. So this is question number 4 and question is again same, find the k, but the condition is different. So in this case, what is question? Slope of lines represented by 3x square plus kxy minus y square is equal to 0 differ by 4. Okay, so slope differ by 4. Differ means it is a difference. Okay, so suppose one of the line slope is m1 and second line slope is m2, and this difference is given 4. Okay. So again starting from the given equation, and the given equation is a 3x square plus kxy minus y square is equal to 0. Okay, and the next step is comparing with the standard joint equation or combined equation of pair of line. So it is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. And after comparison, just find out the value of a. So a value means it is a coefficient of x square, so a value is a 3. Then 2h value means it is a coefficient of xy, so coefficient of xy is a k. Okay. And then b value, so b value means coefficient of y square, so coefficient of y square is minus 1. So these are the value of a, 2h and b. Then find out the value of sum of slope and product of slope. So m1 plus m2 is equal to, formula is minus 2h upon b. So just put value of m1 plus m2. So m1 plus m2, 2h value in our case is k. So it will get minus k divided by minus 1. So therefore m1 plus m2, it is minus cancel, and sum of slope is k. Okay. And similarly product of slope means it is m1 into m2. So this is formula is upon b. So therefore m1 into m2. Okay, a value is a 3 and b value is minus 1. So m1 into m2, this product is minus 3. Okay. Now what is given? Given is the slope of lines represented by this equation differ by 4, means difference between the two slope is 4, means m1 minus m2, this value is given 4. Okay. So there is a relationship between this difference and sum and product of slope. Now what is the relation? Okay. So I am just using here one formula, that m1 minus m2 whole square. Okay. So if I expand this value, so I will get m1 square minus 2m1 into m2 plus m2 square. Okay. So therefore m1 minus m2 whole square is equal to m1 square plus m2 square minus 2m1 into m2. Okay. Now just replace this value. Okay. So I am using here one more formula. What is the formula? That m1 plus m2 whole square. If I did this expansion, m1 plus m2 square, then what is the expansion? Expansion is m1 square plus 2m1 m2 plus m2 square. Okay. So I want this value. So just calculate this value from this expression. So I will get m1 square plus m2 square, m1 square plus m2 square. This value is equal to m1 plus m2 square minus this plus value get minus after shifting it toward the LHS. Okay, so it will get minus 2 m1 into m2. Okay, so this is the value of m1 square plus m2 square. Okay, and what is the value of this? m1 plus m2 whole square minus 2 m1 into m2. Okay, so I am just putting this value in this expression. Okay, so m1 minus m2 whole square is equal to, now this m1 square plus m2 square, m1 square plus m2 square means it is m1 plus m2 whole square minus 2 m1 into m2. Okay, this is value of this, and minus 2 m1 into m2 is already here. Okay, so just complete calculation. So m1 minus m2 whole square is equal to m1 plus m2 square. This is minus 2 m1 m2 minus 2 m1 m2. So minus 2 addition is minus 4 m1 into m2. Okay, so this is my final formula. This is final formula which we have to use here. Okay, so ये लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है, जस्ट आपको समझने के लिए मैंने जो है ये पूरा एक्सपांशन यहाँ पे दिया है. यू कैन यूज डायरेक्टली दिस फॉर्मूला. ओके, सो दिस इज द प्रूफ फॉर दिस फॉर्मूला. So I am just using this formula here. And what is formula? Formula is m1 minus m2 whole square is equal to m1 plus m2 square. ठीक है, minus 4 m1 into m2. ठीक, तो ये पूरा स्टेप स्किप करके you have to just go with this formula. ये फॉर्मूला आपको यूज करना है. ठीक है, एंड यहाँ से जो है पूरी वैल्यू आप पुट करो. So m1 minus m2 difference is given. What is difference is given? Slope differ by 4. Okay, so m1 minus m2, this value is 4. Here is 4 square is equal to m1 plus m2. m1 plus m2 means it is k square minus 4 m1 into m2. So m1 into m2 means it is minus 3. Okay, simplify this equation. So 4 square is a 16. K square is a k square minus minus plus, and 4 into 3 means it is 12. Okay, so k square is equal to 16 minus 12. 16 minus 12 is a 4. So k is equal to plus minus 2. Okay, so this is final solution for this question. Find the value of k, and k is plus minus 2. Okay, तो इसमें जो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है, इसमें इम्पोर्टेंट है ये फॉर्मूला. तो ये फॉर्मूला जो है आपको याद रखना है. ठीक है, so this is question number 3 from the question number 4, and question is slope of one of the line is given by this equation, exceed the slope of other by the 8. Okay, so again same start from the given equation, and the given equation is a kx square plus 4xy minus y square is equal to 0. And again comparing with standard equation, ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. Okay, and then write the value of a. So a means coefficient of x square, so a value is a k. Then a value of 2h, so 2h means it is coefficient of xy, so xy coefficient is 4. Okay, and then b value means coefficient of the y square, so y square coefficient is minus 1. And then write the value of m1 plus m2. So m1 plus m2 means it is minus 2h by b. So therefore m1 plus m2 is equal to minus 2h means it is 4 by minus 4 by minus 1 means m1 plus m2 it is plus 4. Then m1 into m2. So m1 into m2 means it is a by b. Okay, so m1 into m2, a value is k, and b value is -1. So k dividing by -1 means it is minus k. So it is m1 into m2. Now apply the given condition. And what is given condition? That slope of one of the line given by this equation exceed the slope of other line by 8. Means one of slope exceed the by other slope by 8. Okay. So suppose m1 exceed m2 by 8. Okay. Suppose m1 exceed by 8 of the m2. Okay. Or m2 is exceed by 8 to the m1. Okay. So you can apply this condition either for the m1 or m2. One of the slope exceed the other slope by the 8. So m1 is equal to m2 plus 8, or you can either apply m2 is equal to m1 plus 8. Okay. So I am just taking this condition for the first value, that m1 is equal to m2 plus 8. So from this I will get that m1 minus m2 is equal to 8. Okay. So this is the difference between the slope. So we have the formula for the difference of the slope. And what is the formula? Just squaring on both sides. m1 minus m2 square is equal to 8 square means 64. So we use this formula in the previous question. And what is the formula? That m1 minus m2 square means it is m1 plus m2 whole square minus 4 times of m1 into m2. So this is formula for this. Okay. And I give you whole proof for this formula, how it comes. Okay. So this value is equal to 64. So I am just using this formula directly here. And then only put values. So m1 plus m2 is 4. So it is 4 square minus 4 m1 into m2. So m1 into m2 means it is minus k is equal to 64. And then simplify whole expression. Okay. So 4 square is 16 minus plus 4 into k is a 4k is equal to 64. So therefore 4k is equal to 64 minus 16. Okay. So 4k is equal to 64 minus 16 is 48. So therefore k is equal to 48 dividing by 4. So finally you will get k values at 12. Okay. So this is solution for this last question. Okay. So again remember this formula which is our previous question formula.